Have you been getting on it, like Vtec and stuff?
Yeah, I've been getting on it, Vtec.
All right, starting the day off, guys. Coming out to the whips, got Midnight, the D17. Looking at Midnight, she's looking hit right now. Got this two-tone wheel setup going on. I still need to remove the plasti dip off of the front wheels on both sides. I'm gonna hold off on coils for a while just because I don't really have the funds, but clear up some of this back gap. So I ordered some springs, budget like $100 springs on the way. So stay tuned. Bill rolling in right now. Very good. Wrapped. Rocking the gold now. Look at that. Yeah, absolutely, dude. Are you about to keep the stock exhaust, or are you gonna get another exhaust for it, you think?
I'm gonna go with the
NVIDIA N1.
Yeah, I like the sound of it. They're not too loud, but they got like a nice, like, throaty.
Yeah, it's like the Skunk 2, just different brand, honestly. That's what I was gonna go with.
I mean, it's not too loud either, which I like.
I got the good deal on the Skunk 2, so that's why I chose that. It's pretty dope.
You know, we blessed.
Yo, are you blessed to have a Civic?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, man. You're doing all right. FA5, boy. Nah, dude, chill. This stuff's still holding up pretty good, right? So we're about to check his oil. Wow. Look at that. On point, dude. It's like midway.
It's not burning either.
It hasn't been burning anything?
It hasn't been burning anything.
Nice, dude.
Been running good. I got lucky, guys.
Running good. Yeah, I'm glad
I've been checking her like every other time I fill my tank. I check
Hell yeah. Honestly, we did get lucky because if you guys saw the video, and I'll like put it up here, like down below, there was like, I don't even know how much was in your motor for like oil.
Dude, it was a drip just hanging off the dipstick.
All of you guys who have been wondering how this thing has been doing, it's been running fine. Perfect. Have you been getting on it, like Vtec and stuff?
Yeah, I've been getting on it, Vtec and stuff. I got this, this wasn't here last time you guys saw my car.
Oh yeah,
it's a little piping coming from my front grill to get some like colder air going towards my
from the resonator to his intake.
Yeah.
So we put that on a couple weeks ago.
I also painted my valve cover.
Yep. It's definitely a sweet color.
I messed it up a little bit putting it on because it wasn't completely dry. But
all right, so we're literally checking everything, making sure everything's good. We're gonna do a coolant change video on this thing. I know you guys wanted to see how to do a coolant change on an 8th gen Civic. So Bill's coolant definitely needs to be replaced. It's kind of like a yellowish color, so we're gonna slap some like fresh
greenish color.
Yeah, greenish. So we're gonna slap some fresh Type 2 in there. All right, I'm about to take the FA for a nice little spin real quick. So you got the springs coming for it. I know you know what exhaust you want. What do you want for a header? Are you gonna do a header or no?
I'm thinking about it. I mean, it's definitely an option. I don't know too much about headers right now. I know I really like your Skunk 2 Alpha, so like that's the only one I really know about.
The Skunk 2 Alpha is really good, man, especially with Honda. You know, it's good for the mid-range, even top end. So I think you should get one down the road. But
yeah, down the road.
You get the Flash Pro or whatever.
That's what I'm thinking. I mean,
but yeah, definitely stay tuned for the exhaust. I can't wait to see how this thing's gonna look lowered. Like, hopefully, you think the whole gap's gonna be gone, Bill, or what?
Well, from what I
like as far as the wheel gap.
From what I looked at, the back drops a little bit more than the front.
Yeah.
So the gap for the back wheel, it sits really flush with it.
Right.
But for the front, you're gonna have like just the smallest bit of space, which in my opinion is perfect because functionality over like stands.
Function, boy. So I can't wait to see how it handles too. So with the oil consumption, that's the only thing like I told him to watch out for. I mean, he's probably burned like maybe a half a quart within like what? 1.5K, 2,000 miles.
Yeah, like 2K, I'd say.
So realistically, that's not that bad. So just gonna always keep checking that. They want to hear that Vtec crossover. puts a smile on your face.
Yeah,
as corny as that sounds.
Like as corny as that sounds, it really does. It really does.
Dude.
And if you look at videos, dude, of like other car drivers, like I've seen a Mustang driver drive an SI, and
they were just like a kid in a candy store, pretty much.
And they love it. Like,
it's definitely an awesome machine. Like the K series.
These cars will surprise you every time. I promise you that.
If you don't have an SI, add one to your collection.
Oh yeah.